Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom video call in mobile. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Zoom and make sure that you log in with your account. You have four options. You can just log in with SSO, or you can log in with Apple, Google, or Facebook. In my case, I'm going to just use Google, and I'm going to continue to see a pop-up window opening up for me to actually initiate or start basically log in with my account. So I'm gonna log in with my account basically, and I'm gonna use my account, and I'm gonna follow along the on-screen instructions. And basically you're gonna be able to see the interface of the app right here, and just like the PC, you got more than one option, right? So I'm gonna allow access right here, or don't allow in my case. You're gonna see right here a pop-up window, so you have more than one option. Just like the PC, you have more than four options, right? You can create a new meeting on spot, by clicking new meeting. You're gonna see your camera, and basically you're gonna be able to share a link inside the Zoom call. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Go ahead and click the Zoom meeting, and then video on, and I'm gonna just toggle it off, right? And I'm gonna start meeting right here, and you have you have other option as well. You can join the meeting by adding the meeting ID and enter your name, just like the PC. Adding the meeting ID or the personal link, you can just click right here, the personal link, and then add the personal link. Basically, after you add it, let me paste the link that I just copied, and basically add the name, and then just press join. And if you have the join options tool right here, you can make the audio off, right? You can mute your audio so no one can hear what you say, and turn off your video if the meeting doesn't require a video call. So basically that's it, right? And you can schedule basically a meeting at a time, and you're gonna call it a Zoom meeting. For example, Adam, right? Zoom meeting, right? And you can select the time, starts at 12 p.m, duration 30 minutes, hour, whatever it might be, and select the basically time zone, right? And if you want to repeat that meeting every week or every day, whatever it might be, you can just do that as well. And the attendees, you can just add the attendees name and everything, so everyone can know when and where in the time zone as well. So you can see right here the security. If you want to add a passcode, enable waiting room, so the people who come early in the meeting can have the early access to the meeting, right? And here you have right here the meeting options: host video on, participant video on, and you have the advanced option: allow participants to join before host, automatically record meeting, and approve or block entry for users from specific countries in region. That's of course if you have some restrictions over your meeting. So hit save at the top right after you finish. Basically now you schedule a meeting. And I have the last option, which is share meeting. You have right here team chat as well, just like the PC. If you click the bottom right corner right here, or bottom middle, you're gonna see you can start a new chat right here with the channel, and you can share or share the news and everything. And basically you can share folders as well, and then you can add bookmarks, files, or whatever it might be, and then you can enter each individual's chat and then start a video call or whatnot, right? So it's like pretty much like social media. If you click the plus button at the top right, new chat, new channel, invite new contact, and join channel as well. So it's more like social media, and it's pretty cool from Zoom to be adding that feature. And here you're gonna see the mail, right? If you have a new mail, and basically that just like Gmail, if you have a new mail coming across different mailing addresses, you're gonna receive it right here in the calendar as well. If you have meeting as well, you have meetings and things to do, and click right here more, and you're gonna basically see your standard settings, right? So let me go back to my meeting at the bottom left corner, the first, and you're gonna see right here the last option, share screen. Basically, you can here say Zoom would like to access your microphone. Just basically allow them, and by adding the share screen, you're gonna enter the sharing key or meeting ID to share a Zoom room. And just by adding the sharing screen or sharing key and the meeting ID, you're gonna be able to share the screen to other individuals. So basically, just like the PC, you can schedule, join, and start on spot new meeting, and you can start new group and chat, new group or new chat or new channel or join channel, and start sharing folders, files, and adding things to your bookmarks. And basically, you're gonna see a mail just like Gmail. You're gonna receive different mails from different email addresses to your Zoom mail. And basically, you have the calendar if you have something to organize on that day. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.